Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Let's go to the net extensions and then we will try that whether the variable gets to these functions or not. Let's open the net extension first. Still we have 7 records in the state extension. Let's go and execute this function which is insert data. Let me publish the changes and then we will execute this code. The changes are published now. I will click on the URL. I will come back here and refresh this data extension to see whether the report has been over or not. As you can see, now we have got one more report in this data extension. The customer ID is 012 and then the first name is Peter. That's what we inserted. We have to pass the new data extension as the first parameter and then we have to pass the remaining parameters as in the column value period. Column name, column value, column name and column value. We can add additional attributes or additional values that we are going to add last and continue letters as well. Next, we are going to take a look at how we can update the data. Let's say if you want to update, then what are things that required? First of all, we have to pass an overdata extension. Now this number tells Marketing Cloud that how many column and value pair should be used to identify the report that needs to be updated. What do I mean by that is, if it is 1, then Marketing Cloud will only take this first name and Ronnie. I like for the first name is going to Ronnie as a criteria to find out the report that needs to be updated. If it is 2, then Marketing Cloud will take 2 column name and column value pairs as the criteria to find out that which record needs to be updated. And what will happen with the remaining column and the pairs? The first pair will be used to identify the report and the remaining pairs will be used to update the information. What will happen if you will execute this code? System will go to the state extension. It will find where first name is posted on me. This is the report where first name is posted on me. It will update the last name as well and email as this. That will change this. Let's say Bill and let's run it out till. We are going to update this one when we execute this. Right now, the email address is something else and the last name is something else. What we want to do? We want to change the last name and the email address for all the reports where this thing is matched. Now let me publish the changes and then we will see whether we are able to see the results or not. Let me publish the changes. Click on this. Now the code is executed in this. Now we will ask us on the one we will again fold on me. Please. Thank you every day. Some issue with this. Great. Let's go to the query polls. There is a local to build it. Earlier it was well. Now it has been updated to build. Let's try to update the email addresses. Well, I think it should have gone. Let's focus now. Now it is happy. I mean, you can never trust with the bit functions in cloud pages. There's some time at IC's Google and some time and like. It is not about the bit functions, but I think the very cloud pages are designed. Sometimes it takes the changes that we have published and then it doesn't take rest is showing all it as well. It is not showing any error, but it is not updating as well. Changes that we publish, it might take some time, around 5-10 minutes. Generally, it happens instantly. Sometimes like it might take, 5-10 minutes. That is why I mean the changes that we are making over here. It is not able to take these changes and then like after 10% take the changes and then I think we should be able to do these changes. That is a thing. Right now it is not taking the changes, it is not updating this, but after some time it will be. The next function that we have is upsert data. Upsert data. Upsert data means that if the matching record is found, then update the details. Otherwise, insert a new record. We will go to the state extension. We will use one pair to find the record at which should be updated. If the record is found, then we will update the emulator first and last time. If the record is not found, then we will create a new record by all like with the help of all. The data is customer hidden first and last time. Let me remove the comments. And then what then we will do? First of all, we will see that whether we have this thing, 011. We do not have this report, right? Customer at 011. What will happen? That it will create a new report. Let me save the changes. Yes, hi, I will refresh this. Please that our report is executed. Now we will come back to the detection and see whether we have got the report or not. We have not got the record yet. We have not got the record yet. It will take some time and then we will get the record. You can execute this later as well. And then the last function that we have is delete data. Delete data basically helps us to delete a record in the data extension. We say where customer aid is just to 010, delete that report. Do we have that report or not? Let's see that. We do not have any report. Let me delete this 01. Let's drop this. Let's go back to me. If that changes, run this page again. We will come back to the data extension to see whether the symbol has been deleted or not. It has been deleted and you can see, generally I have seen the problem with this particular function of the data. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I think there's some issue in the background. But the same for like it will work now and might not work sometimes. Make sure that when you run this one, the results. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.